I will now show you how to disassemble and assemble our HSB ball screw HSB-kgt. In this example, we will show you a ball screw flange nut that has two of our protective meshes on it. I will now pull off the first mesh and clamp the ball screw spindle in our vise, then remove the second mesh and make use of the assembly sleeve provided for the ball screw. The important thing here is that the ball screw cannot be disassembled without an assembly sleeve. When attaching the assembly sleeve to the ball screw, apply gentle pressure and unscrew the ball screw flange nut. I have now removed the ball screw flange nut. I take an axial support and slide it through the sleeve. The ball screw flange nut is now secure and the assembly sleeve can't slip out. To assemble the ball screw, I take a grease gun, apply this to our funnel-type lubrication nipple, and pump in lubricant until it comes out of the front of the sleeve. I remove the assembly sleeve's axial support. The lubricant fixes the assembly sleeve. For assembly, I place the assembly sleeve on the front side of the ball screw spindle. I apply pressure to the assembly sleeve and slide the ball screw flange nut onto the spindle. By turning the ball screw flange nut, we push it onto the spindle. The assembly of the ball screw is now complete.